BGC's most expensive area 2026. Walking tour. Welcome to the future of urban living in 2026. In this captivating video, we take you on a journey through Bonifacio Global City, BGC, where luxury meets sustainability. Discover how this thriving neighborhood combines cutting-edge architecture with breathtaking greenery, creating a vibrant atmosphere like no other. As urban landscapes evolve, some neighborhoods emerge as beacons of luxury and exclusivity. In 2026, BGC, Bonifacio Global City, stands poised to offer a unique blend of modern architecture, lush green spaces, and high-end amenities that make it one of the most expensive areas in Metro Manila. Join us on a walking tour through this stunning locale, exploring its lavish offerings and vibrant culture. A glimpse into BGC's luxury landscape. BGC is known for its futuristic skyline, filled with soaring glass towers and innovative designs. As you stroll through the area, you'll encounter iconic landmarks such as the bustling Central Square, which features a mix of upscale retail shops and gourmet dining options. The atmosphere here is electric, a perfect blend of work and play, drawing in both residents and tourists alike. One of the standout features of BGC is its commitment to public art and green spaces. You will find beautifully manicured parks interspersed among the high-rise buildings. The Mind Museum, a popular attraction, offers an interactive glimpse into science and technology, making it a delightful stop for families. These elements not only enhance the aesthetic appeal, but also create a sense of community amidst the luxury. Culinary delights along the walk. No walking tour would be complete without indulging in some local flavors, and BGCI does not disappoint. The culinary scene is a melting pot of international cuisines, from chic cafes to fine dining establishments. A short walk could take you to places like the renowned Wildflower Cafe Plus Bakery, famous for its artisanal breads and delectable brunch options. Or perhaps you might fancy a taste of authenticity at the Filipino restaurant, Locavor, where traditional dishes are given a modern twist. Alongside these eateries, street food vendors pop up during the evenings, offering an array of quick bites that add a casual yet vibrant element to the dining experience. Be sure to try the local favorite, fish balls, and experience the warmth of BGC's local culture. Shopping extravaganza. As the walking tour continues, your next stop might just be one of BGC's luxurious shopping malls. The area boasts some of the most exclusive brands, with flagship stores lining the streets. From high-fashion boutiques to jewelers displaying their finest pieces, shopping in BGCI can feel like an indulgent treasure hunt. Don't forget to take a leisurely stroll through Venice Grand Canal Mall, where you can enjoy a gondola ride while surrounded by idyllic Italian-inspired architecture. Bonifacio High Street hosts open-air luxury flagships such as Gucci, Prada, and Rolex along tree-lined boulevards, with art installations. Surrendra and One Bonifacio High Street provide al fresco vibes with designer outlets and specialty shops, exploring nightlife and culture. As dusk falls, BGCI transforms into a lively hub of nightlife. Bars and lounges spring to life, offering everything from craft cocktails to live music. For those who appreciate culture, the area frequently hosts events and art exhibits, turning the streets into a gallery of creativity and expression. Walking through BGC at night, you'll witness a city that truly never sleeps, with each corner revealing something new and exciting. A walking tour through BGC offers a unique experience, showcasing its modern architecture, bustling streets, and a mix of high-end shops and local boutiques. Here are some key highlights you might encounter. Bonifacio High Street. This is the heart of BGC, lined with flagship stores of luxury brands, trendy cafes, and restaurants. It's a popular spot for both shopping, art installations, BGC is known for its public art displays, including murals and sculptures, parks, and green spaces. Despite its urban setting, BGC incorporates green spaces like the Terra 28 Park, providing a refreshing contrast to the concrete surroundings. Dining options. From casual eateries to fine dining, BGC offers a diverse culinary scene that caters to various tastes and budgets. 1. Explore Uptown Mall. Uptown Mall is a premier shopping destination in BGC, home to high-end fashion boutiques, designer stores, and gourmet restaurants. Take some time to browse through the stores and maybe splurge on a luxury item. 2. End your tour at Grand Hyatt Manila. This 5-star hotel is the epitome of luxury in BGC, offering exquisite dining options, unparalleled service, and breathtaking views of the city. Treat yourself to a lavish meal at one of the hotel's restaurants to cap off your walking tour of BGC's most expensive area. Walk to Shangri-La at the Fort. This luxury hotel is a landmark in BGC, offering top-notch amenities, world-class dining options, and stunning views of the city skyline. Bonifacio High Street holds the title of the Philippines' most expensive retail strip, at around $51 per square foot annually as of late 2024 data, placing BGC 43rd globally. Rents here outpace other local areas due to strong demand from affluent shoppers and resilient post-pandemic recovery.
BGC's mix of experiential shopping, office towers, and residences like those in Forbestown cements its status as the city of the rich, with 2026 seeing continued investment in premium properties. Pedestrians enjoy wide sidewalks, public art, and events, though costs deter casual visitors. This evolution positions it ahead of rivals like Makati CBD in prestige. BGC's reputation as a luxurious district is well-deserved, with its blend of high-end retail, modern amenities, and vibrant atmosphere. Whether you're a local or a tourist, a walking tour through this area provides a glimpse into the upscale lifestyle that defines BGC, making it a must-visit destination in Metro Manila. From fine dining to luxurious living spaces, you'll get an insider's look at the urban oasis of tomorrow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into luxury living.